Here is a video to show you how to set tool setting. We just measured the diameter is 30.3 mm. Start on rotation first, and we set the x-axis position at. Use the hand wheel to bring the cutter too close to the workpiece. Stop your movement when the cutter just touches a workpiece's surface in x-axis direction. Press the offset button, and press F1. We are using tool number 2. So we set the tool number 2 position. Use up, down, left and right button to move the cursor to tool number 2's x-axis position. Type in 30.3 and press the input button. Now the X position is done. Then we set the Z-axis position. Use the hand wheel to bring the cutter too close to the workpiece. Stop your movement when the cutter just touches a workpiece's surface in Z-axis direction. Use up, down, left right button to move the cursor to tool number 2's Z-axis position. Type in 0 and press the input button. Now the Z position is done.